This tutorial accompanies the Lady Katherine Regency gown pattern. The pattern is available on our website in print or as a PDF download in sizes 0 through 30. The link is in the description. This tutorial will walk you through how to sew the neckline casing. Grab your seam gauge and adjust it to 5/8 inch and use it to mark the fold line with a disappearing ink marker. Mark this line on the right side of the fabric. Make small marks about a 1/2 inch apart around the curve. You will use this line to guide you as you sew around the curve. You can mark 1 inch or so apart where the edge is straight across. Connect the dots to make a solid line on the curves. Fold over 5/8 inch toward the wrong side and press. Using just the tip of your iron, press carefully, small bits at a time, folding on the line you drew. Notice how I'm positioning the iron. Now fold down 1/8 of an inch on the edge and press. Take it to the sewing machine and sew close to the folded edge. Carefully manipulating the fabric around the curve using the line you drew as a guide. Sew from each side to the middle, leaving a 1/8 inch opening in the front to insert the drawstring. I'll show that to you again from the other side. Remember that the neckline doesn't need to lay flat around the curve because the neckline will be gathered with the drawstring. After you insert the drawstring, sew across the ends to secure it like you see here. You'll do the same thing for the back of the bodice. Check out our other Lady Katherine pattern videos for help with the shoulder straps and skirt gores.